You've been practicing your screaming. When this act comes out, please scream for them, show them support because they are amazing. They are from right here in New York City. They are a non-profit arts organisation. These people are few and far between these days, which makes them even more special, dedicated to sharing Chinese culture through the arts, from traditional Chinese dance to showcasing creative new works. Folks, New York City, make some noise. Give it up for the New York Chinese Cultural Centre. Make some noise!
Down. You got it? The wind is making it look so beautiful. Okay, and now I want you to make the dragon fly across your body this way. 5, 6, 7, one more time. Rainbow. And rainbow, 2 more. Rainbow. Now dragon. Dragon. And dragon. Are we ready to make a turn with the dragon? Let's make a turn. Let's make a turn. And turn the other side. Turn. Turn. Okay, we go back to front. Back to the front. Let's get it ready for fireworks. Fireworks. And fireworks. And fireworks. And fireworks. And we jump now. And jump.